Sige na.
Let's give him a big round of applause.
To our dear principal, Mrs. Lourdes Gia N. Hankins, our guest speaker, Mary Vincel Yasa, teachers, fellow graduates, and of course to our beloved parents and friends, good afternoon. Wow, finally, I'm graduating. It is one of the best achievements I had. I've learned that being educated isn't only being mentally skilled and knowledgeable, but also having the right attitude. I will definitely miss Hankins Learning School, which is not just a school for me, but a second home. And what's a home without a family? Our ever patient principal, Mrs. Lourdes Gia N. Hankins, had taught all of us how to be more disciplined. Who else? Of course, our advisor, Teacher Mita Coson. One thing I remembered from her is to forgive and forget. That's something we have to bear in mind even when we go to college. I know you will all agree with me. To Teacher Queenie, Sir H.O., and Tita Ria who helped making our school a safe and fun place, thank you. To Teacher Ellen, Sir Charles, Teacher Abby, Teacher Nina, Teacher Roxanne, Teacher Sarah, Teacher Jen, and all of my teachers who taught me, you've been an important part of my elementary life. I will surely miss our school because of you. It was all fun knowing you. Our life is a long journey, and it is best traveled with people who mean a lot to us. I am so blessed to have my Ninang Chelsea, my Nanay Elvira, and Tatay Boy for always being there for me, for the love and care. You've guided me well. This journey includes bumps. There will always be difficulties, problems, tears, and hindrances. And we won't be able to travel well without our parents and siblings. To my mama and daddy, you are my inspiration. You never fail to love me, and I may not say this very often, but I love you so much. To my brother Marcus and sister Janice, you inspire me as well. I am looking forward to fulfilling our dreams someday. It may be a very long way to go, but I know I can cross these roads and even bridges, because I have you both, Mama and Daddy. Life is a journey, a tough one, but we all have Him, our Father, who will always guide us and love us unconditionally. Thank you so much for all the blessings. Once again, thank you all very much. And congratulations, graduates. Let us all prepare ourselves for our next quest, high school life. Thank you po.
Thank you, Jasper. We are requesting the grade 6 graduates here on stage to